Hi guys, it's Megan Mize.
And I'm Matt Marquez.
And we're here in Waco, Texas at the Perry Company where we design and manufacture the Fortress product line.
And today we're going to be showing you how to install your new hood scoop for the Kawasaki Pro FXT. Let's go. All right guys, I'm going to show you how to install our Fortress hood scoop. Right here we have our driver and our passenger uprights, along with our front grille. Grille is radius for the hood. Here are our driver and passenger rear mount brackets, and then our front mount brackets. Let's go ahead and put this together. These holes are slotted for adjustability. So we're going to put our bolt through the hole. Start at the bottom is what I like to do. Use a nylon lock nut, and then we'll go up to the next hole. And then we'll do the same thing for the driver's side. We're just getting these started. We're not going to tighten these up. Next, we'll install the rear mount brackets on here. Again, you're going to use the same hardware. We're just getting these started. We'll tighten everything at the end. And we'll do the same for the passenger side. Now we're going to take off our hood. We're going to keep the hood pins. We will use those. We're going to install the front mount bracket. You're going to put the round hole on the bottom. And we have the cutout on the top that is the same as the hood pins. We'll tighten these up. Make sure to keep the front bracket square. Next, we're going to use a 10mm wrench right here. We're going to keep this hardware, and you're going to keep the washer in place. I'm going to do the same thing for the driver's side, remove that one as well, keeping that washer in place. We'll put the hood scoop on here, and that rear mount bracket is going to go to the back, and we're going to use the same hardware. We'll use the same bolt right there that we just took out. Now we'll come back and tighten the rest of these up. Snug the driver's side as well. Then what we'll do is go ahead and tighten up the front of the grill. Do the same thing on the driver's side. Now we're just going to reinstall the hood. Your hood pins will slide into the front bracket. You may have to push the hood down to get it in there, and you'll hear it lock in place. Do the same thing for the passenger side, and then your hood is secure and your hood scoop is installed.